How do we know what our mission is? We all want to do our mission, but how do you know what it is? Take a quick look around in your life. Who needs you the most? That's your mission.
Wow.
When you fix that, then look around in a bigger circle. Who else needs you?
Wow.
That's your mission.
Wow.
And if you're very, very energetic, check out the whole neighborhood. Check out the whole state. Who needs you? And when you're needed, you know what to do. So don't make up a job.
Oh.
That's craziness. Today you make up this job, and next week you'll make up another job. You'll drive yourself crazy. Don't make up a job. Look around. Who needs you? Who did God introduce into your life so that you can help? No mysteries.
So good. So good.
A man says, I want to help. I want to do good. I want to help people. I just don't like my wife.
Oh my God.
So the person who needs you the most, you're not interested. I don't think you really want to help. So look around, see what community, what context God put you in. Same is true with work. You go to work, and you think you're going to work in order to make money. No. You're going to work in order to meet people that you would not meet if you weren't at this job. Those people, what can you do for them? What can you teach them? What can you encourage them to do? How can you help make their life easier? They're there in your world. It's not an accident. If you help them, if you do something for them, you won't have to work. You're only there because you're meant to meet them. Somebody wrote to the Rebbe once, I'm in a hospital, the doctor says this and the doctor says that, and I want the Rebbe's bracha. And the Rebbe said, stop listening to the doctors, you're not there for yourself. Look around. Who needs you in the hospital? Don't ask the doctor what's wrong with you. Tell the doctor what's wrong with him. You're there to contribute, not to take. And if you contribute, then you can go home from the hospital. You're there to make things better, not to be sick. God doesn't want anybody sick. But only if you're sick do you get to meet these people that you can help. And as soon as you help them, you're not sick anymore.